John Potter. I've been involved with MHM for the last almost 30 years now. Welcome to MHM Austria. Going to give you a very quick whistle-stop tour of a few things inside the factory. Welcome to MHM Austria. The thing with MHMs I don't think people realise is MHM still really the only manufacturer where all the machines are hand built. Okay, so everything's built, tested on an individual basis. So if Rick or Tom, you order a machine tomorrow, that machine's going to be built with some TLC in this factory, it's going to be ran, and it's going to be delivered to you as your machine. It was built from the ground up for you. Nice to see inside some of the machines, see what goes into building it. These guys now are putting the top half of the S-clamp together. So we've got the air supply to all the printheads, we've got the electricity supply and the signal wires to all the printheads. Every MHM build of the machine are all the same. Every one of these machines is being built individually. There's a serial number on the side of this machine. This is the heart of your screen printing press. Everything hangs off here, so everything has to be rock solid. So it starts from the very beginning. Again, everything's the same. Everything's hand built. A lot of these guys that work in this factory have worked here for years and years and years. So there's not a high turnover of staff. So these people know what they're doing. They care about what they're doing. It's very important. Have you noticed one thing that's very, very interesting with MHM? Where's all the wires? There's no wires. Everything's very slick. So this goes inside here like this. And this is how your MHM works. And before that happens, we even slide stainless steel bands inside here. So everything is riding on stainless steel and bearings inside. And that is just literally to move your screens or to move the squeegees. So people don't really see inside the MHMs. But that's the attention to detail, that's the level of quality that it goes down to. There's a huge factory all around you, but the personalisation part here, they're just building each machine now. They're only going to build 4 or 5 machines at a time in here. So they've just got enough parts for 4 or 5 machines coming through, and every machine will be built perfect before it's delivered. This is the assembly area. Okay, so these ovals will be assembled in the next week or so. Here's an S-clamp MHM, it's been assembled, tested, it's been assembled and ran and tested before it's even going to go out. So one of the things that is really positive about all the MHMs is if you're using different size frames, for example, because the front screen holder is fixed and the rear screen holder is almost kind of spring-loaded, like this. So it doesn't matter what size frame you put in the machine will very quickly adapt and hold the frame in position. The M-Touch Pro system on the MHM, very, very, very clever. MHM were pioneers of the touchscreens on machines. We had touchscreens on machines 20 years ago. It's because it's just an app. You can give we do this a lot in the UK, we can give the machine a Skype account. So if we have this as MHM Great Britain #1 @gmail.com, what we can do is we can Skype straight onto the machine and have a look what's going on. So we can actually switch on the camera, or you can switch on the camera and almost do a FaceTime call right on the main command unit. But the attention to detail that's going into those machines is tremendous. You're paying for something that's hand-built. It's a little bit like buying a Rolls Royce or buying a Bentley. Yeah, you can go and see your machine being built, and you can see that machine being built all the way through if you like, no problem. And of course MHM are very flexible, so we can make minor adjustments, we can normally accommodate things if you want the machines to do. Sometimes things look a bit different. So this is the packing area, like I say, all the machines will go out from here, all crated up, the heads in a separate crate, the base in a separate crate, numbered up, ready to go, gone. things are just getting better and better for MHM. So this was just a very quick tour around for some of your customers to see what's actually inside the machines. Okay, everybody sees the machine looking nice from the outside, but now when you see the amount of quality and the attention to detail that goes into manufacturing an MHM, you can see what you're paying for.